Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle in today's newspaper on Wednesday, October the 23rd, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku, so one puzzle is left. By the way, in this newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional for today. So only these three regular puzzles. And the news of today, well, today it's War Day number 973. 973 days ago, the war started in Ukraine and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, let me continue the binary puzzle number 9476. Before I start, I always count up printed digits, 27 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with the double ones. Dano. Double ones, Dano. Double ones, Dano. Double ones, Dano. Now the doubles, here one, there one. 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 Now the double ones, Dano. Double ones, Dano. Double ones, Dano. And now the doubles, here one, there one. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, Dano. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Double ones, Dano. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, Dano. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, Dano. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1. There should be an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Then I need to think now. Between the ones comes an O. Difficult part. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. We have here 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, there should be no. Double O's, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are ones. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but they do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. So that box should be an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O's, here one, there one. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. Correct in 4 minutes. Well. We solve it again. Without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again tomorrow. Yes, on Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.